You asked, how to divide 2235 by 5 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 22. 22 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 3, making 23. 23 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 23 minus 20 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 35 minus 35 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 447.